All right, today I'm going to show you how to use a Keurig coffee machine, coffee maker. I have this in the hotel room and I'm going to show you how to use it. The first thing that you're going to want to do is add water to the tank. So the tank is right here. I already added about a cup of this water to the tank. I'm just making 1 cup, so that should be sufficient for me. All right, so after you do that, you go ahead and close this. The next thing you're going to want to do is, I always do this first, is I press the power button. The power button to make sure the Keurig machine is on. All right, so I'll press the power button. Then I'm going to raise this right here, this handle, and then I'm going to insert the pod. Right here is a dark roast pod, and I'm going to place this right there inside. And before I close this, I always want to make sure that I place my cup underneath to where it can catch the coffee once it starts brewing. So I have that underneath there. I'm going to take the handle and I'm going to press it down to make sure it's shut. And now this blinking light is on. And so what I have to do now is I have to press this large button, and then I'm going to wait 2 minutes to complete the brew. And while this is going on, you'll hear it juggling, making all sorts of noise. And what it's basically doing is it's heating up the water in order for it to go inside of the cup. And outside of the cup, it goes down in, or outside of the Keurig K-cup, it goes into the cup that I'm going to be drinking coffee out of. You can hear it's making a transition right now. I'm going to lower it so you can actually see the coffee coming inside of the cup. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cut to it brewing process. All right, so it's done. See, there's a nice cup of coffee. You can go ahead and add all sorts of things to it, like creamer, sugar, or whatever. And that's how you use a Keurig coffee maker. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.